My personal smartphone choice of this year was the iPhone 15 Pro Max. In my opinion, it's a good overall package, thanks to the excellent camera and the very good battery. An additional argument for the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the new USB Type-C port that makes now almost any USB accessory usable with the iPhone. The Apple Watch Series 7 still absolutely lives up to its good reputation in 2024. Although it will soon be 3 generations old, it still runs as it did on the first day. I've owned the IdeaPad 5 for almost 4 years, and it's still a good laptop for office use and occasional gaming. Surprisingly, the battery life is still good, with 4 to 6 hours of light tasks like writing texts. Although it's now 3 years old, the iPad Pro M1 still does a good job. Whatever I'm up to, the iPad does it with ease. Whether it's video editing or playing a demanding video game, I don't have the impression that it reached its limits. Thanks for watching, leave a like below and subscribe to my channel, that would help me a lot, and see ya in the next video.